We are here at Mohawk Harbor in Schenectady, and you can see how flat the water is here, so this is like the perfect condition. I've got a bow line that's hanging, so that's not really doing anything. And then here I've got my spring lines crisscrossed, and of course fenders down there protecting the boat. I also have two stern lines in the back, one across the dinghy, and we moved the dinghy back a little bit so we can get on and off the boat easily, and then one coming here off the stern to that cleat. So should be easy getting out of here this morning, no problems. Looks good, straight out from the dock. Oh, well, there's no wind. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the water right here on this side. Don't go too far over there. Keep straight, closer to the green marker. Okay. I don't see anything yet. Can't really see around this curve yet, but looking good. We are going through this very narrow passage. There's a way to get through if you're going the other way. Just like a highway, that's a median in the middle. But it's only 24 feet high, so feels like it's right on top of us.
So we're going to be coming up on Lock 8 here, the Scotia Lock, and I've already read in my Skipper Bob book, it says east or west of the lock, tie up on the south wall in case we have to, but I'd like not to tie up. Some turbulence from the dam on the east end, which is where we're coming, no power. If you have to tie up, train and highway noise, that's if you're staying over there and park with the picnic tables. And that information we already know from our pre-flight or pre-planning. I say pre-flight because I'm used to flying airplanes, but anyway, from our pre-planning that there are lines there, and Rev is rigged for a tie-up or on the port side. Is that correct?
Both sides are ready.
Yeah, both sides are ready, but she prefers the port side. I do. So I'm going to give the lock a call because I'd rather not wait, and if he has it one way and he can configure it the other way, I'm going to give him a chance to do that. So we program the number in there, and we'll give him a call, see what he says. And you got to realize, it's ringing, sometimes these guys are busy, they may or may not answer. So this is kind of a luxury if you can get them on the phone. And hey, good morning, Lock 8. How's it going today? Yeah, we're a 50-foot westbound motor vessel, and we'll be coming up on you in about 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Great. All right. We'll see you then. Thanks, sir. Bye-bye. So, pretty easy, if they answer the phone, and, it's not real busy this time, so it's kind of a luxury to do. And he said, hey, going good, establish some rapport with the guy. He's not real busy, and let him know you're coming his way. And he says, I'll get the lock ready for you. So we gave him a time we're going to be there, and just as easy as that. Doesn't always work that way, but at least on the first one for the day, you can kind of get in the flow. And then what they're going to do is they stay in touch with each other. You know, it's about another 5 miles to the next lock. They'll probably pass on down that you got one coming westbound. So something you can do to kind of minimize your, time tying up to a wall and all that. Just kind of keep motoring along.
Okay, you see me right here? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to get on the side, probably right here, if you can take the back, okay? If you can get out on the cockpit and take the back line. Okay, so Sam said he's going to leave the thrusters on in case he cannot grab a line and help me with this. I'll try to go more mid if you can't get a line. There is a kayaker, looks like fishing over there near that waterfall. Good morning. Good morning.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
Got the gold jersey, huh?
Say what?
Said you got your gold jersey now.
Yes, we did it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay. In the, yes, beyond that, okay, yeah. Yeah, those are close together, but I thought you wanted one in the cockpit. Huh? No, there's no cables in this one. Yeah, you're doing great. Well, are you gonna come stand on the side with me then? Okay, well yeah, this'll work then. That one will go for the cockpit. They're too close together. Okay. All right. All right. I got this one. It's Sam, they're too close together. Okay. 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 Yep. Yep, you can. You can now. Run! Run! Hurry! 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 It's going away from the wall! Run! 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 Okay. Have what hands? Okay. It looks like the gate's closed back there. This is gross. Oh, slimy. Oh no, Sam. It's really hard without gloves and this is gross. We're going up, right? But it's only 14 feet, so we'll work our biceps, won't we? Yeah, yeah. Oh, look how flat the water is over there. Sorry.
I'll email them to you later.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thanks. Wow, it's so beautiful.
All right, we're on mile 27 westbound on the Erie Canal, and this is bridge E15. It's 24 and a half feet clearance on it. And what you'll see is, be careful where your navigation routing takes you, and you'll see up there, it's like, oh, well, which side do I go on? Well, it's just like driving on a highway. Okay, we're going to go under the right side of it here. So you've got a green on the port, and you've got a red on the starboard. So we really had to take it off of our routing because it was taking us over on that other side there. So either side would do, but might as well do it the right way. It's really intended for, there's barges coming through here, to be able to put two through at the same time, or even boats. So stay on the correct side and you'll be fine. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Hang it down there.
Huh?
Hang it down.
So Sam called the lock and found out that another boat is coming the other way. So he slowed us way down so we wouldn't just have to wait out here or tie up over there on that side. He timed it so when we get up here, they'll be coming out so we can go right in. I just love that about you and your way that you plan, because we have not had to wait at all. Now, lock 8 as well as lock 9, they just have the ropes hanging down, so we're going to use our brute strength. Sam's going to turn off the engines again and go grab a line, and I'm going to grab the other line. Okay, so just tell me which two you want us to grab. 4, 5, and 6. I see them. The third group in. All right. Okay. I love it. So Sam said we're going to grab the third set. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go for 5, 6 in the middle. If you get too close, and sometimes it's unavoidable because there's so many boats and you're the first one in, the further or the closest you are to that front gate, the harder it is to secure the line, because there's a lot of current happening with the way the water moves through there. So I would rather be in the middle, secure, safe and secure. All right, see this post sign here? We're going for those two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. Grab your gloves, it's slimy. Okay. It's a different kind of weight on this. All right, I got this one coming back. I'm gonna pull us back. Okay, all right. Almost, it's almost there. You got like, okay, you can grab it from the cockpit now. Don't go back any farther because it's right there on the edge. Okay, I got us. Okay. Looks like he's closing the back gate. Alright. Looking good on this side. I still got a hold of the rope. Do you want me to let go? Okay. Alright, I'll drop the rope. looking good. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Okay, so if we go, I can see the buoys that are on top. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fourth one. Okay. 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 What? Well, honey, that's a small boat. So you want me to grab the fourth line? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're different from the last one. I'm here. Here's where the breastline cleat is, right here. Sure. Either this one or the next one I'm fine with. Are you gonna try to grab a line or? Okay, well I can get the one in front of it then. Huh? What? No, well I can get the one in front. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, you can get that. Uh-huh. Yeah. If you hurry now, you can get it. Because it's right back there at the cockpit. All right, bring it in, Sam. Bring it in. These eddies are fighting me. This is why I didn't like locks. It's just your brute strength. That's not easy. Woo! Hey, it's fighting me. It's beating me. It's beating me. I'm up against the railing right now. Hey, they got a tomato plant over there. Well, we left Schenectady this morning, as you know, and the last time we came through here, we tied up to this wall that you see over on the right-hand side. It's called Riverlink, and there is a restaurant that's right there, and when we were here before, the restaurant owner gave us all the information as far as the restrooms and that kind of thing. You see there's a park behind there. There's a tower that you can go up and walk across over that bridge, I think.
Yeah,
it's been a while. Yeah. So you see how the wall is high up and then it slopes down. So there are power pedestals there, and that was a really nice place to stay. We enjoyed it very much. However, this time we're going through, we decided to go through Lock 11 And then on the opposite side of Lock 11 is Guy Park, and we are going to stay there. And there's power there as well. That's the boat we went through the lock, the last lock with. I don't know.
Slow down so we don't
Yeah, I don't know if that restaurant is open. It looks kind of like a ghost town over there.
Yeah, everything is shut down.
But this is called Riverlink Park, and that is a really nice place to stay whenever you're in this area, and everything is back to normal. Okay, boy, it's so calm in here, isn't it? Very nice. How you doing? How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Real good, thanks.
All right.
Yeah, he's pulled those lines up on the starboard, or on the right side of this thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's the fifth one look to you? 1, 2. Yes. Just because there's so many carvings out, like the wall. I'm gonna take this next one right here. See, our fenders could get caught in these dents here in the wall. He's closing the back gate. All right, I'm going for this one. Got it, thank you. All right, keep moving forward. You need to keep moving forward so you can get that one. Okay, now you can. Okay, good. Okay. This looks rough. Do you see? It's like these cave markings for some hieroglyphics. I know. I'm worried about that one that's right there. You okay over there? All right. So I leaned back against the boat now, and I have my heels dug in to this. What do you call this thing? Gunnel? What's a gunnel? Okay, so it's the edge of the gunnel I got my heels dug into. I think I'm ready for action. Thank you, Roy. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Well, thanks for coming along with us on this trip from Mohawk Harbor in Schenectady over here to, I don't even know where we are.
I'll tell them where we're at.
Past Lock 11.
Yeah, we were on the west side of Lock 11 at a place called Guy Park. And 4 locks today, but the great thing about this, it's free to tie up. And guess what? There's also free 50 amp power out there that actually works. We kind of had to jerry rig the plug into there. Had a little, issue with that. But
shout out to Jerry.
Yeah, jerry rig. Yeah. So anyway, we'll see you next time on What Yacht To Do. Thanks for coming along.